Okay, so we're into this for a couple of moves so far, and I think maybe you get the idea. None of what we do is for sport. So let's explore this. Let's explore the mindset. Let's talk about emotion, about stress, about mindset. See, when you defend yourself, I want you to have a will to live, a willingness to move, a willingness to do whatever it takes to defend yourself. Like you're all in. For example, if you decide to kick someone in the groin, you just send them to the moon. And biting, hey, biting's okay, but don't just bite like kids in the schoolyard. You're not just, biting to hurt. No, no, no. Clamp your jaws down so tight that your teeth come together. And then tear out that chunk, spit it out, go in for seconds and thirds. Now think about what kind of rage or anger or defiance is going to motivate you to do something like that. What would make you brave enough to face down a bear? What would make you run into a burning building? You need to protect something. It's so important that you don't care. You're running through those flames. See, your willingness to move has got to be so great, so overpowering that nothing else matters. You're all in. Okay, true story. One lady was telling me about her experience. Now, one night she was in her own kitchen when a man broke in through the backyard into the back door into the kitchen and attacked her. He used one of her own kitchen knives and began to stab her. Now, so she's in a panic. She's trying to defend herself. She's not thinking. There's not a whole lot of thought. Just, stop him from killing her and get out. And so she does that. She makes it out. Now she's on the street, bare feet, no phone, multiple stabs already. She's feeling weak. She's full of adrenaline and she's trying to figure out what she's going to do. She's looking if she can go next door. There's no lights on. Down the street farther, who can she go to for help? And she's bleeding and she's feeling weak. And she's not even sure if she can get to the next door. And if nobody's home, she won't have the strength to go to the next door after that. Like she's got a problem here and she's slowly calming down. And now she can think a little bit and she thinks, my boys. My boys are still in the house. Then she thinks, wait a minute, they were playing hide and seek. Where in the house could they be? So there's a little bit of thought here. The strange man is in the house. He's obviously dangerous. She wants to go in and get her boys, but she doesn't even know where she's going to go. And what if he finds them first? She said, Andrew, once I realized that there was no hesitation, there was no fear, like nothing else mattered. She said she knew she was going in. There wasn't even a thought about it. She didn't care. She was going to get her boys. And she did. And the man did find her, and he did continue to stab her more. And so as he's stabbing her, she's yelling to her boys to get out and get safe and go get help. She was safe. She went back literally into life and death danger for something not her. And that man was going to get to her boys over her dead body. Now, she did make it, but wow, that is a force to be reckoned with. So now imagine, what is the very most important thing or people in your life? What would you run into a burning building to protect? Make an image in your mind and make it clear as you can. Give it motion, give it sound, smell. Make it as real as you can. And, I get it. We're just going through the video now. So if today, right now, you can't think of anything, that's okay. We're planting a seed. It's okay to develop this image over time. Imagine what will make you feel defiance, anger, spite. Spite is good. What makes you feel spite? Rage. Rage is good too. What makes you feel just rage? Nothing can stop you. Now, give that a label. I like, how dare you? Another good one is, oh yeah? Emily likes, get off me. So here's what you do. When you move, as soon as they lay hands on you, fight for that image, not yourself, for that image. Move and be willing to move and cause them massive pain by the power of that image. Does that make sense? You're not fighting for you. You're fighting for that image, that person that you'll do anything to protect. And then say the label, scream it. Let the label bring the image and the rage up. Like, they chose to lay hands on you. They chose. Let them pay. No mercy. Don't hold back. You're all in. And again, give this all time to mature. But as we go, have that image and say that label every time you move. And so generally we call this your will to live, your willingness to fight, to do whatever it takes, to defy. All right, you guys are doing great. Let's go to the next video.